3, 2, 1, let's go. Hello guys, today I'm reviewing these Sunex pliers. They're like channel locks, but they have a quick adjust by pushing this button. It makes it pretty nice because you can almost one-handedly adjust to the pipe size and do your work. Unlike the your typical, this is actually by channel lock. It's set right, but if it were not, you typically have to adjust it and guess kind of where you need to be at and fiddle around to get the right spot there. There you go. That's where it should be. So it's a bit more work to get adjusted, but these of course are tried and true, 15-year-old, and they've been doing well for me. One thing I noticed was the overall width of that button sticks out a bit further. I just wonder if I might have trouble with it getting caught up on things when I'm turning or doing some plumbing work. So that will be to be determined once I use them for a bit, but we'll see. That's all. Thanks. Bye.